Hi, my name is Dayon, and today I'm going to tell you about logical operators. There's not, and, or, the three things. The first thing is not. Boolean, the bool is the operator and the variable, and not true means false. Not false means true. Not 1 equals, so 1 does not equal 2, so they false. And now not false means true. An and operator is the next thing. Bool is the variable again, and true. Both of them has to be true for the answer to be true. If it's true and false, it will be false. False and false, of course it will be false. 1 equals 1. 1 does equal 1, so it's true. And then 3 is bigger than 2, so it's true again. So it's true. And 1 does equal 1. 3 does not equal 2. So it's a false. 1 is not greater than 1, and 3 is not equal to 2. So it's false. And if it's true, it's true, but the rest is false. Or is the last thing. Bool is a variable again. True or true means true. True or false means also true. False or false means false. 1 equals 1, so true. And then 3 is greater than 2, so true. And true or true is true. 1 equals 1, true, and then 3 does not equal 2, false, which also means true. 1 is not greater than 1, 3 is not equal to 2, false, and then false, so it's a false. So it's all true except false. Bye. Thank you for watching.